Hosta Bressingham Blue, a shade garden superstar. For those seeking a majestic, shade-loving perennial, look no further than the Hosta Bressingham Blue. This captivating plant boasts a statuesque presence and adds a touch of cool elegance to any landscape. Over the years, I've fielded many questions about this beauty, so I've compiled a handy FAQ to address everything you might want to know. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. What makes Hosta Bressingham Blue special? The Bressingham Blue stuns with its impressive size. This herbaceous perennial matures into a formidable mound, reaching a height of 26 to 30 inches and a spread of up to 50 inches. The true showstopper, however, is the foliage. Large, heart-shaped leaves boast a captivating powdery blue hue, adding a unique textural element to your garden. The leaves are slightly cupped and corrugated, further enhancing their visual interest. Unlike many hostas, Bressingham Blue exhibits a remarkable tolerance for sun. While it thrives in dappled shade, it can handle a few hours of morning sun without complaint. This versatility makes it a valuable addition to gardens with varying light conditions. Another reason I adore this hosta? It's a champion against slugs, those pesky garden destroyers. The thick, corrugated leaves seem to deter these slimy creatures, allowing your Bressingham Blue to flourish. Bressingham Blue Hosta versus Canadian Blue Hosta. Comparing the Bressingham Blue and Canadian Blue Hosta, I noticed that the Bressingham Blue's rich, deep blue-green leaves gave my garden a lush, velvety look, while the Canadian Blue offered a more subtle, softer blue hue that blended beautifully with my other plants. How do I care for my Hosta Bressingham Blue? While undeniably stunning, Bressingham Blue is a remarkably low-maintenance plant. Here's what you need to know. Planting. Select a location with dappled shade or morning sun. Moist, well-drained soil is ideal. Space your plants 18 to 24 inches apart to allow for mature growth. Watering. Water regularly, especially during hot, dry periods. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Feeding. While not essential, a balanced fertilizer applied in early spring can promote healthy growth. Pruning. Remove spent flower scapes after blooming to maintain a tidy appearance. You can also remove any dead or damaged leaves in fall. Pro tip: Bressingham Blue's vibrant blue coloration is best maintained in deeper shade. If planted in areas with more sun exposure, the leaves may take on a slightly greener hue. How does Hosta Bressingham Blue compare to other hostas? The world of hostas is vast and diverse, offering a variety of sizes, colors, and textures. Here's how Bressingham Blue stacks up against a couple of its popular cousins. Hosta June, a smaller hosta with heart-shaped blue-green leaves edged in creamy white. While lovely, it lacks the impressive size and bold color of Bressingham Blue. Hosta Francie, another shade-loving beauty with large, blue-green foliage. However, France exhibits a flatter, broader leaf shape compared to Bressingham Blue's cupped and corrugated texture. Ultimately, the best hosta for your garden depends on your desired aesthetic and available space. But if you seek a statement piece with captivating blue foliage and impressive size, Bressingham Blue is a clear winner. Does Hosta Bressingham Blue have any pests or diseases? Thankfully, Bressingham Blue is a relatively pest and disease-resistant plant. As mentioned earlier, its thick leaves deter slugs, a common hosta foe. However, keep an eye out for slugs and snails. While less susceptible than other hostas, they can still be a problem. Apply organic slug control methods if necessary. Hosta virus X. This viral disease can cause distorted leaves and stunted growth. There's no cure, so prevention is key. Purchase disease-free plants and practice good garden hygiene. Where can I buy Hosta Bressingham Blue? Many online retailers and garden centers offer Hosta Bressingham Blue. Look for reputable sellers who specialize in perennials. You can typically find them as bare root divisions or potted plants. Tip: when purchasing, choose plants with healthy, vibrant foliage. Avoid any with signs of disease or damage. With its striking presence, shade tolerance, and low-maintenance nature, Hosta Bressingham Blue is a surefire winner for any gardener. So why not add a touch of cool elegance to your landscape with this captivating perennial?